What if you could better command the increasing demands of the on-demand world by doing one simple thing? Add the new Zebra MC9300 ultra-rugged Android mobile computer and keep doing what you've been doing, but with 10% more productivity. The new Zebra MC9300 is the brilliant evolution of the #1 selling rugged mobile computers in the world, the highly respected and loved MC9000 series.
And with the Zebra MC9300, our hardworking teams can continue to do their job, only better. And with Android, we're future-proofing our systems with a device that has OS support and security updates for years to come.
Because it's out of the box, ready to get to work with the familiar form factor, preloaded terminal emulation, and easy migration to modern touch-based apps. And since it has better ergonomics, it takes less muscle effort and movement, which means improved performance for our entire operation. Shift after shift, SKU after SKU, no matter how demanding the conditions.
So in this new on-demand economy, choose the rugged device that doesn't demand drastic changes in your operation, even when the pressure heats up or the temperatures drop to Arctic levels.
It's time to get the increased speed, security, and productivity of the new Zebra MC9300. It makes the biggest productivity impact with the least operational disruption, allowing you to capture your edge.